Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to open a circle motor. First, and most importantly, always ensure the motor is completely disconnected from all power sources to prevent any electrical shock. Safety is paramount, so please wear appropriate gear like sturdy gloves and eye protection. You'll also want to gather your tools, including a few different screwdrivers, a set of wrenches, and a non-marring pry tool. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's begin the initial disassembly. Start by locating and carefully removing any external mounting bolts or screws that secure the motor. There might be 3 or 4 of these. Next, gently detach any attached components like cooling fans, pulleys, or electrical connection boxes. These often have their own small fasteners. Finally, identify and loosen the main casing bolts or clamps that hold the motor's 2 halves together. Take your time with each step to avoid damaging any parts. With the external fasteners removed, it's time to separate the motor's main casing. Use a non-marring pry tool, like a plastic wedge, to gently work the 2 halves apart. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the casing or internal components. As the halves separate, be very mindful of any internal wiring, brushes, or other delicate parts that might be connected. Take a moment to observe and mentally note, or even photograph, the precise orientation of everything for smooth reassembly. Once the motor casing is open, you'll have access to the internal components. Carefully remove the rotor from the stator, ensuring you don't damage the delicate copper windings. Now is a good time to inspect key parts. Look closely at the bearings for any signs of wear or roughness, and check the carbon brushes and commutator for excessive wear. Before you go any further, make sure to document the exact arrangement of all these internal components. This will be incredibly helpful when it's time to put everything back together.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.